Hi, I'm Jeb, Regional Service Manager for the Southeast. I want to talk to you today about the Hendrickson cam tube system. A couple things you need to pay attention to on this cam tube is when new, this grease zerk will be pointing towards the rear. When you see that grease zerk, if you see that grease zerk start to rotate, that's an indication that these are not holding it tight anymore and it's moving. At that time, you need to change your cam tube. It is also very important to grease a cam tube, and when you grease the cam tube, you should grease it until you see clean grease purging out by the slack adjuster. Thanks for watching, and remember, Hendrickson is here to help you go the extra mile. I'll see you in the field. For more information on Hendrickson cam tubes, reference our literature L762 or call the Hendrickson Tech Services